Okay, so this is the first problem. It is white to move. Pause your video.
Hey there, this is Ben from Benzochess here with another video and another tactical problem for you. I'm actually showing you a bunch of puzzles that I have on my online chess course for my tactical videos. So let's get to it. Here is puzzle number 1.
Okay, so this is the first problem. It is white to move. Pause your video. 3, 2, 1. Okay, spoiler alert. Here's the answer. Rook here is attacking the queen. So once we move the bishop, move right here. And now the queen's being exposed, and so is the rook. Queen has to run away. It can't stay on this file because of the rook. It can't go here because of the queen. It has to maybe go like right here, for example. And now the rook is lost.
Hey there, I'm hoping that you're enjoying my videos right now. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'm looking for more subscribers. Starting from 182 subscribers up to February 1st, for every new subscriber I get, I'm going to donate 50 cents to the Epilepsy Foundation. What I want to do is help those who have epilepsy, and I really want to donate to this foundation. For every dollar that they get, they will actually triple their support. So I want to donate as much as I can, and my goal is to get 500 subscribers by February 1st. So please click that subscribe button and the like button today.
Aye, Captain.
Hopefully you like this chess puzzle, and if you want to do better in tactics and learn more, definitely check the description below to unlock everything for a cheap monthly cost. Catch you at the next video.